Prime Minister Narendra Modi's office is likely to review the coal supply situation in India today, said sources, as an energy crisis threatens to cause widespread blackouts in the country. On Monday, Home Minister Amit Shah met the minister in charge of the coal and power ministries to discuss worries about the inadequate coal supply causing nationwide outages. Many states have flagged concerns after weekend power outages, although the centre has downplayed fears, assuring enough coal sticks to meet the demands of power plants. The Coal Ministry said on Sunday that power plants have about 7.2 million tons of coal. Coal India has also a stock of more than 40 million tons, said the ministry, calling fears of power cuts entirely misplaced. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will again head to Lakhimpur Kheri today to participate in the Antim Ardas, that is the final rites prayers of the protesting farmers who were mowed down in the Uttar Pradesh district earlier this month. Heavy barricading and police checks were visible on the Lucknow-Sitapur-Lakhimpur highway. Rahul Gandhi Go Back, Priyanka Gandhi Go Back banners were also sighted along the highway. While some of the banners mentioned who had put them up, others appear to have vague details about this aspect. All banners took digs at the Congress party, saying that people don't want fake sympathy. Preparations for the final prayers are underway at a field away from the spot where the violence took place in Tikunia village of Lakhimpur Kheri in pole-bound Uttar Pradesh. 3 terrorists, at least one of whom was involved in the targeted killing of a civilian in Jammu and Kashmir over the past week, were shot dead during an anti-terror operation last night, the police have said. The 3 were killed during an anti-terror operation in Shopian district. They were offered a chance to surrender but refused to do so. They were said to be members of the Resistance Front, an offshoot of the Lashkar-e-Taiba that authorities believe is behind the killings of civilians. One of the 3, Mukhtar Shah from the Ganderbal district, has been linked to a killing of Virendra Paswan, a native of Bihar who made a living as a street food hawker in Srinagar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to take a big shot at dismantling the silos in which various government departments have traditionally been working in India, leading to delayed project implementation, higher cost and below par benefits for the public. PM Modi will today launch Gati Shakti platform. Gati Shakti, which literally means power of speed, is the Modi government's ambitious, comprehensive geospatial digital platform that promises integrated planning and coordinated execution. Government sources say it will usher in a new paradigm, initially in projects planned by the centre, and later it is expected to trickle down to the municipal level. Small plane crashed into a residential area of a California city on Monday, killing at least 2 people as a blaze devoured 2 houses and several vehicles. Aerial footages showed firefighters hosing down the charred remains of the residences in Santee, a suburb of San Diego. A burned-out delivery truck was also seen on a nearby street corner. Fox 5 San Diego reported the plane was a twin-engine Cessna 340, a 6-seat aircraft that had departed from Yuma, Arizona an hour earlier. There was no sign of the plane's remains from the aerial footage.